11 بعدو الكليب والنو سكاف عملنا لكم نو سكاف فلتر على سناب شات. try it, swipe up, take a selfie.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jada Davino, and today I will be doing a tutorial for this makeup look, which is inspired by Maya Diab. She's so beautiful, so amazing, and she have a new single just came out, and a music video called Baadou, and she looks stunning in it. The whole like outfits, makeup, hair, everything. And so I wanted to recreate the makeup look and the hair. Obviously, if you can tell that I'm wearing a wig, and to know how I got the nose scuff as well, please keep on watching. And as you can tell, I have my foundation on, my eyebrows, my contour, my blush, my highlight, my everything. And I did one eye already just to save some time. هستخدم النهاردة eyeliner من Sephora. Eyeliner precision, high precision eyeliner, whatever. Color black. So right now I will start doing my black eyeliner. It's from Sephora. It's the high precision eyeliner in color black, of course. I'll just give it a shaky, shaky, shaky. And always when you try to do a wing liner or any type of liner you want to do, start thin, and then if you want to make it thicker, work your way up. So what I'm doing here, I'm trying to take any excess product on the brush of the eyeliner, so I have the least amount of product so I can draw my thin liner. هنا عند آخر عيني at the end of my eye, and I'll just draw a thin line, like very light strokes. And then take a little bit of product and then bring it down. Okay, and then I'll take my eyeliner all the way inside, so it's more like of a cat eyeliner. زي ما عملت توتوريال قبل كده بالعربي وقلت ايلاينر عين القطة. هنعمل نفس عين القطة اللي عملناها قبل كده. والله it's nerve-wracking doing eyeliner. Like قول يا حسبي الله ونعم الوكيل. Okay. So after that, I will take like the inner corners, so hard to show. I'll be taking Morphe brush number M507. It's a small detailed brush, blending brush. And I'll be taking my Huda Beauty, the Rose Gold Edition palette. And I'll be taking color Suede. Oh shit. I just dip it in a black. Good job. Color Suede, which is right here. And I will just start, like, you know, contouring my crease a little bit right here. Just add like some dimension. Okay, y'all, I have a question. So would you prefer to do just videos English, or mix English and Arabic at the same time, or do everything separately? You know what I mean? فكنت بقول ايه رأيكم اعمل فيديوهات لوحدها عربي totally عربي ما فيش انجلش فيها خالص, like I'll try my best طبعا, او اعمل ميكس انجلش وعربي في نفس الوقت في نفس الفيديو, او just اعمل كل واحد حاجة لوحدها. ف let me know in the comments below ايه رأيكم. So we're going back to the Sephora eyeliner. So for the blue part that's inside the wing right here, what I will do, I'm gonna mix a blue eyeshadow with a mixing medium just to turn it into an eyeliner. So I'll just like scrape a little bit of a blue eyeshadow and just mix it like with a teeny drop. And for the blue eyeshadow, I'm using the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne palette, and I'm using color TRM. A very teeny weeny angle brush to draw inside the eyeliner with it. So as you can see, I have like a palette here, and I'm just like mixing the blue to make it like a liquid eyeliner, and just like draw inside the wing. Like right above it. And then I'll go up here. I'm so in love with like having like graphic eyeliner with like pop of color like right into it. Like that blue just, I feel like made the whole look for me. So we're done with the eyeliner finally, and right now I will be taking where did it go? Ooh. Okay, so right now I will take MAC pencil in color coffee, so it's just a brown eye pencil. I'll put it in the inner waterline of my eye. I'll take again the blending brush, and I will take from the Huda Beauty palette, I'll take Sandalwood and Henna, and I'll blend under my lower lash line. Pencil brush by MAC number 210, and I will take Cocoa from the Huda Beauty palette as well, and I'll start darkening the lower lash. I haven't done like a tutorial in a while, like I don't know, maybe in a year or something, but I promise I will be consistent and I'll get back to it. So please let me know if you have any ideas or any makeup looks you want me to do for you. List it in the comment down below. I would love to do like more looks for you. I'm gonna darken it a little bit more. I'm gonna add Brune from MAC. It's so hard to look in the viewfinder and just like, it's right here. And for today's lashes, I will be using Lily Lashes in style Mykonos. It's one of my ultimate favorites. It's so fluffy and gorgeous. I'll just put it quickly off the camera and get back. Okay, the lashes is on. So I'm really digging the lashes. It's so beautiful. I love it. So fluffy. So for the lipstick, I will be doing the lip liner first, MAC Strip Down, because Maya in the video and picture, she have a very cool tone nude color. And for the lipstick, I'm using Huda Beauty in shade Flirt. It's a very cool tone nude shade.
بموت فانك ونهيب وبابي كامل مفتوح لي.
And I'll just put a little bit on top Kylie Cosmetics in color Dolce K, just to make it a little bit more nudish. So we're done with the lips. Now the fun part. So Maya, she have in her video and pictures a nose cuff, and obviously I don't have it and I don't know where they sell it. So what I'm gonna do is I'll make my own. How? I will draw it on. So I have Maron metallic gold powder. I'm gonna mix it with a mixing medium and I'll draw it on. I'll take the gold and I'll just like fill in. So it will just give it the illusion of that you're wearing a nose cuff. So Maya made it super trendy. I've never seen anyone wear it before. She's the first one who did it, I believe. So it looks super cool and unique. I love it. I think it looks amazing on her. Okay, and this is how it looks. The drawn on nose cuff. I'm really digging it. I think it looks pretty cool, and it's just a way of creating a nose cuff if you don't have it. Let's bring us to the final look. I'll just go change and put on my wig and come back to show you the final transformation. And this is the final look. I hope you all liked it, and I love this whole haircut thing. But yeah, so here's like a closer look of the eyeliner and the lashes and the lips and the hair. Don't forget to follow me on my social media on Instagram and Facebook page. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well on YouTube. And don't forget to turn on the bell button so whenever I post anything, you will get notified right away. And I think that's it. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.